Hi everyone, welcome to the University of Richmond. My name is Joseph Day, I'm the Natural Area Steward. Here we are at the West Hampton Tennis Complex. This area is very steep and rocky. It's very difficult for the landscape services team to bring down equipment. RVA Goats brought in about 40 head of goat to eat down all this kudzu. Once the kudzu has been eaten down, we'll be treating it and then planting native plants to grow in this area. Welcome to the Eco Corridor. You might notice these are sheep rather than goats. Sheep primarily eat the grasses that the goats leave behind, and that's what they're doing today. They eat down all the vegetation that the goats have left,